Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Technology. In this YouTube video, with the help of my third year IT students, I am going to discuss about case study based on microcontroller and embedded system. These students will know how the microcontroller and embedded system are working, and they very well know how the use of microprocessor and microcontroller in real-time system. Now they will tell about their view on how this microcontroller embedded system is used in real-time application. Now they will start.
Hi all, my name is Agalya. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in IT department at SNS College of Technology. So let me start with the case study video of microcontroller and embedded system. So the name microcontroller came from it's like a small chip which is used to designed for a specific task, and embedded system means which is integrating the hardware and software together to perform any special task. So this is the explanation of microcontroller and embedded system. So where we use it in real time is in washing machines. How the washing machines work is microcontroller, it reads the input like water level and time, how much time to run this work, it all will be recorded by the microcontroller only. So finally the microcontroller embedded system is always used in real time to make the work smarter, faster and easier. Thank you.
So based on this idea, we know that microprocessor and microcontroller, they are very much suitable for controlling any input. So their example they are taking as a washing machine. So taking the timer and washing, rinsing and drying are some applications of microcontroller. Now we can ask for second step.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja, pursuing Bachelor's Technology in Information Technology as a third year IT student at SNS College of Technology. I am going to explain about how this microcontroller is used in nowadays, which is automatic power stacks. So microcontrollers are well embedded in automatic power stacks. For example, the microcontroller is actually used in the scanning process of the power stack. When we cross through the power stack, the car's bank, which is the link of the bank accounts number will be linked to the power stack. It works through radio frequency information that collects information about the bank account. Then it transfers the amount automatically. It helps in reducing the manpower and it reduces the traffic nowadays. So fast tag is widely used in India's nowadays.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Giri Krishna, currently studying BTech IT third year in SNS College of Technology. I would say furthermore applications like how it is used in helpful in farmers and in cars and also in our homes. Farmers, we can say that they use automatic irrigation system. When the moisture in the soil goes down, automatically it will sense, the microcontroller will sense, sensors will sense and send the input to the microcontroller, then it will trigger the water pump system. In cars, for example, if a car met with an accident, then suddenly the airbags would come out. In that, sensor will say that the car met with an accident and the microcontroller will build the airbag system to operate. And in homes, we can say where we use the modern devices like smart TVs and smart lights. Microcontroller is majorly used because of its small in size and its major many capabilities further we use. My friend Danny will explain.
I can add another point that will be discussed. So apart from this pumping and throwing the water to the field, the microcontroller also used for providing a proper pesticides or controlling the fruit harvest time and time period to inform the farmers for this is the right time to harvest a particular fruit like this. This can be used in so many areas. Now, other students will continue.
Good afternoon, I am Dhanidharan from third IT SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about an application using microcontroller embedded system. The application automatic street light control system, which is used to turn on and off the light street lights using and light dependent which is called as LDR. This is used to control the light system automatically based on the light intensity.
So hello guys, I am Raghavi, pursuing third year BTech IT in SNS College of Technology. So I'm going to tell about smart home automation. So it is a system that uses microprocessor to control remotely control the household appliances like home lights, fans, or security systems. So if you take sensors, there are like motion sensor, temperature sensor, and light sensor. So they collect the real data time, and the microprocessor will process it whether to on it or off it. So if we take it through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections, the user can remotely uses the applications using our phone, mobile phones, or mobile data. So it is very useful in their outside of the room.
So if you take the automobile company or TomTom company, nowadays by using your mobile phone, you can communicate with current. Also, if you see the automatic street light controller, whenever we go near to the street light, that time only the street light will be working. All these are the example of microcontroller. Next slide.
That and all, I'm Shalini Nath, and I proceed detail writing third year. So one of the applications for microcontroller and embedded system would be real-time health monitoring system. With the rise of chronic issues and chronic illness and diseases in rural areas, we might need a real-time health monitoring system where it collects the temperature or any abnormalities in the patient. So we can use ESP32 microcontroller and pulse oximeter and thermometer sensors in the health monitoring system. You can also send emergency alerts to the caretakers of the family to the patients that the patient may be having some emergency needs.
Myself, Director of IT Department in SNS College of Technology. I'm going to talk about automatic door system. In this system, ESP32 are used here. When obviously we are in an era where everything is automated by staff. So this automatic door systems which ensure for safety and privacy. If a verified person is trying to get in our house, it unlocks, and if it doesn't, it blocks the persons. So and notifies the person who is the owner of the house. That's the fact.
Based on my students' point of view, this microcontroller embedded system can be implemented in any electronic domain area. For example, based on this idea, this can be implemented in washing machine. That is a pure example of consumer electronics. And therefore, because of this faster, we can make the payment process very easily. Toll gate, so that can be also used in automation field. And based on this very personal discussion, we know that this microcontroller embedded system can be implemented in agriculture domain, and they also conclude that these areas are implemented in automation, mechanical area, also in the main part of healthcare system. So based on our discussion, you clearly understood how this microcontroller embedded system can be applicable in real-time. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, students.
Thank you.